Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Warman is one of the fastest growing cities in Saskatchewan, located just north of Saskatoon. It offers a blend of modern development and small town atmosphere, making it a popular place to live for those who want close access to a major city while enjoying a quieter, community-focused environment. Its location along major transportation routes has helped shape its steady growth over time. Today, Warman has a population of over 11,000 people, and that number has increased rapidly in recent years. Much of this growth has been driven by its proximity to Saskatoon, with many residents commuting for work while choosing to live in a smaller, less crowded setting. The city has responded with new housing developments, expanded services, and modern infrastructure designed to support its growing population. Warman's history dates back to the early 1900s, when it was established as a railway town. The arrival of the railway played a central role in the town's early development, connecting it to other parts of the region and supporting trade, agriculture, and settlement on the surrounding prairie lands. For many years, Warman remained a small and primarily agricultural community. Local farms and grain operations formed the backbone of the economy, and the town served as a service center for nearby rural areas. Growth began to accelerate in the late 20th century, especially from the 1980s onward. Improvements in transportation and the expansion of Saskatoon made commuting more practical, drawing new residents to Warman. As more people arrived, the town gradually developed into a suburban-style community, with new homes, schools, and businesses appearing across the area. A major milestone came in 2012 when Warman was officially incorporated as a city. This change reflected its rapid population growth and its increasing importance within the region. It also marked a shift toward more structured urban planning, with a focus on managing growth while maintaining the community's character. The surrounding prairie landscape is an important part of Warman's identity. Wide open skies, flat farmland, and long horizons define the area, offering a clear sense of space that is characteristic of Saskatchewan. Seasonal changes, from warm summers to cold winters, shape daily life and add to the region's distinct character. Transportation continues to play a key role in Warman's growth. Major roads connect the city directly to Saskatoon and other nearby communities, making travel simple and efficient. This accessibility has been one of the driving forces behind the city's expansion, allowing it to grow while remaining closely tied to the larger urban center. Today, Warman stands as an example of how smaller communities in Saskatchewan are evolving. It has grown from a railway town into a modern city, shaped by both its history and its connection to Saskatoon. For visitors, it offers a chance to see a place that is expanding while still holding on to its local roots. Thanks for watching!